Hey everyone, tired of that annoying cough that just won't go away? I've got something that might help. It's called Trikuta, and it's a natural way to feel better. Here's how to make it. You'll need 3 things: long pepper, dry ginger, and black pepper. Make sure you have the same amount of each. Grind them all together until they become a fine powder. Then take 1/4 teaspoon of this powder and mix it with some honey. You can take this mixture up to 3 times a day when you're coughing. This mix of long pepper, dry ginger, and black pepper is great for soothing your throat, getting rid of that itchy feeling and clearing up any congestion. It's all natural too. Stay healthy everyone, and thanks for watching Remedy Junction, your place for natural remedies.